What is up, guys? Today I will show you and tell you what are the methods available to unlock the Ninebot E3 Pro right now in 2026, and actually there is not that many of them available to unlock this scooter right now, especially for German version. I got the German version, but for European version and any others, as for now, there is only one actually methods available, and this is methods of controller replacement. Actually, that is controllers that I replaced already from the German scooter, but also you have in E version or any other version in the world, you will have also same controllers that's located here. I have a separate video how to dismantle it and how to replace it, but after you done it, you can reach up to 32 km/h on your scooter, and inside the app you will also see the 32 km/h. So actually that's only one method, and it's not that difficult. You just dismantle your scooter, put off the old controller, put the new one. Of course it's not good for your warranty, but in case you want the 32 km/h instead of 20 or 25 km/h, that's the only method. As you see right now, already done it. Let's switch to sport mode. So in the sport mode I can reach up to 32 km/h, so that's the maximum speed for E3 Pro. Actually, it's working quite well and operating perfectly. In the drive mode, you can set it up. It can be up to 25 km/h. Let's try it out. So as you see, 25 km/h, and on eco mode is 15 km/h, so working pretty well. And the controller replacement, you can find the link in the description below where to get this controller with unlocked speed, and also the guidance how to do it. But for this video, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.